Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if the games on Roblox are restricted. So go to your settings here, and if you have parental controls, you're just going to want to change the age here, but you do have to verify it. And then under privacy and content maturity, go to content maturity and make sure it's at restricted. I'm at an age where it's enough, but you can kind of like adjust it there. But that's pretty much how you can do that. And yeah, just go to privacy and content maturity and parental controls and kind of edit it. But obviously, you'll need to verify with a parent to do that. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Whoops. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.